Hey guys, Asian right here. This video I'm going to show you how to create a sales page. Um, so bear with me because I'm trying to do it fast for you guys. Okay, first thing you want to do is change this content right here. So what I'll do is click on edit. Just erase all this right here, guys. Okay, guys, right there. Get over 50 different tools and marketing training videos for free today. Okay, and then just click on stop editing right here, and then you're just gonna erase this right here because I don't need this. And then what I'm gonna do is click on edit components right here, and I want a picture right here. So next thing I will do is click on edit, type in tinypic.com, click on browse right there, and then I'm gonna go down to pick me a picture. Click on open. Click on upload picture. Then I'm gonna copy this code right here. Copy. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste it right here. 50%. Click on save. Okay. Now you see the picture right here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna erase this right here. Click on edit right here. Drag some text in right here. And then I'll click on edit content. And I'm gonna say if you can drag row. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna make a little bit these things a little bit smaller on the style right here, so I have more room. So I don't got to keep on going down. And I'll do the colors a little later on, guys. I just want to make sure I have enough room right here, guys. Good enough for now. And I'll clean up later on, guys. But I just want to show you how easy it is. You can drag and drop. Click on edit again right here, and I'm gonna put a video on the sale page right here. Oh, nice little video. My fault. Let me delete this. Yeah, my video. So right here. And you can add videos too, guys, and that's very powerful. Click on edit right there and go to the YouTube. So I already got my video I want. And all I'm gonna do is just copy this URL right there to my marketing system tool and just paste it right here. Autoplay. Okay. Click on save. So now I have my video. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going back to Tiny Pick again, and I'm going to click on this. I believe this is the code for this, but I'm not sure, but we're going to see. Okay, go back to the marketing system. Click on edit again for photo. Right here, click on edit right here, 25%. Okay, guys, that's it. Okay, next what I'm going to do is delete this content, and this right here, I want to edit this content right here and type get okay. And then I'm just going to stop editing this. I'm just going to erase this right here, guys. Forever. Yeah. Okay. Right here, I gotta put the. This is how you do this button right here, guys. So you want to add a button, you just drag and drop it right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to style, so it make it working button. So what I gotta do is I gotta put a link where that button's at, and erase that. And then I'm gonna go back to the conversion pros, go to my tiny URLs right here. So you want them to redirect to the conversion pros where they can sign up to get a free account. So where's it? It's right here. I'm gonna get the link right here. And it's a trackable link right here, so you know how many people is clicking on it. Copy this. Go back to my marketing system. Just paste it in there right there, guys. And click on save. Okay, next what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna dress it up a little bit. Pick a background image. And for this sale page, I'm just gonna use like a white image. That's under the text image, I believe. Yeah, texture right here. Let's see. Yeah. It's fun making these pages, guys. You know, you be real creative. I'm going kind of fast, so I'm gonna like go back and redo some more, but like fix it up and dress it up. All right, pass it up already. Pass it up. Okay, we just use this right here, guys. Click on confirm. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do, come back up here, guys, and go to the style button real quick. Okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger. The color, I'm gonna use green text shadow, so it'll come better. Background, let me see how this look one time. So you can put like a background shade on it also. It's kind of cool right there. Got a little red with it. Okay, and I'm going right here, style this up a little bit down. I'm gonna use green again, guys. So it won't be so colorful, just text shadow. So you can see it. Okay, I'm just showing you guys what you can do. Video. And then this, edit this right here. You just want to bring this bar down so you can see what you're doing. Like that. Make it a little bit bigger. See, I might use green again. I'll use that black. Black, cool. Okay. Good enough. Okay, and last, guys, what I'm gonna do is style this button up a little bit, bring it back down some more. Click on background and make it green again. Click on choose. Stop editing. Save. Well, I like saving it twice just in case something went wrong. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna see if it works. So what we're gonna do, guys, go to the landing page builder right here. Okay, and then what you wanna do is get link, copy it, paste it in there. Here we go, guys. I might change this color out. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see the video working. So let me go over this a little bit with you. Okay, see how I got this right here? Get over 50 different tools and marketing training videos for free today than what's in your box. If you can drag and drop, you'll grow your biz fast. Awesome video, not too long, only like 2 minutes. Got another picture of some of the tools that we do have. Get these tools for free today. And when they click here, they should go to the sale. I mean, to the where they get set up their free account. And my name is Adrian, so you refer by Adrian. Try it now for free, no credit card needed. So this is a sale page I just made in front of your eyes, guys. So and I believe it'll be under 20 minutes for sure. So and you could do this all day, guys, with our tools for your business. I'm gonna dress it up a little bit more better after the end this video. I just want to show you the power of what you can do with the drag and drop, guys. All right, take care. Happy Saturday.